And so just to finish up, what advice would you give to working professionals who are considering getting their PhD?
My advice to you is don't wait, do it. Like when you start, I mean, it will make you feel that you are contributing a lot to the academic society. So like I would say, make sure that you have a good support system or network. Make sure you have the motivation to start, the resources, but overall, do it, don't wait, start. Yeah.
Finish off, is there anything else that you think is important for PhD candidates to consider before they start this journey?
I would say, like I said before, make sure you have, you create that time to get the PhD. But if you do it with SSBR, you are able to walk around no matter what factors that you think will be holding you down. Like the flexibility is there. They are there to support you if you don't know what to do. So, and like I don't have anything else to add, like, but for you to just do it.